Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am making much requested recipe of makhni handi. So let's rock. First of all, we will add oil in our pan and then chopped garlic and ginger. We will saute them a little and then we will add our chicken. You can either use the boneless chicken or normal kadahi cut chicken. It's totally up to you. We will saute this chicken until its color changes. If you want to add the salt at this stage, you can easily add it, but I am not adding it, I will add it later. Our chicken has been sauteed very well, now we'll keep it aside. Now in another pan, we are going to add a big block of butter, some red chilies and some ground spices, and we will saute it very well. If you want to use the oil instead of butter, you can easily do that. Now it's time to add some onions and saute it again. Make sure you do not skip any ingredient if you want to make it exactly in restaurant style. Add some cashews and saute it at medium flame. We will blend all this mixture in a blender. I am making makhni handi without tomatoes. If you want to make a recipe with tomatoes, please let me know in the comments. Now we will add a blended material back to the pan. The mixture was too thick, that's why I added some water in the blender jar. Add some yogurt in the mixture and mix it well. Now it's time to add our sauteed chicken in this mixture. It's time to add some spices, some salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder and some coriander powder. Be careful while adding the red chili powder because we already have added the red chilies in the start of our recipe. Cover it and now cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can see that our gravy is quite thicker now. Now it is the best time to add the cream. Keep checking the spices and you can easily adjust the spices according to your taste buds. We will add some kasuri methi for a good fragrance. Oh my god, the aroma of this makhni handi is just driving me crazy. This recipe is our family's best recipe. You know, my grandmother, then my mother, and now I am making the same recipe. If you like this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have a recipe request, then let me know in the comment box. Take care. Allah Hafiz.